Hello everyone, welcome back to Raj Farhana vlogs, and today we're gonna show you how to make nachos.
As you can see, it can be any olive oil, can be the same brand, can be anything else.
Too close for?
So we're warming up the oil right now. I'm gonna put some onions, chopped onions. As you can see, the olive oil and the onions, they're all warming up. It's gonna go like this for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to add other ingredients. We're mixing the oil with onions nicely.
Yeah.
And then we're going to add some salt, I believe.
Yeah, salt.
Okay. Chili powder, that amount, based up. And this is paprika.
Yeah.
Some turmeric powder.
Yeah. Coriander
powder. Okay. I'm gonna stir it nicely. Okay, looks like we're gonna add some tomatoes sauce.
Yep.
What's this? Tomato sauce? Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to add some ground beef, as you can see. How much ground beef we have? We think so. About half kg.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead, put it in there, and then we're gonna stir it nicely so all the spices and ground beef get mixed. We're gonna cook for 5 minutes, as you can see right now. Okay.
We are back.
So it's been 5 minutes, as you can see.
Yeah. So almost done.
Okay, so what's next? Okay, so the final turn begins right now. We're about to make the nachos. So we're using pan with aluminum foil on it, as you can see, and then we're gonna put some nachos on top of this right now. So go ahead. We're using the Tostitos nachos. You can use any brand, don't have to be Tostitos.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pour nachos on the aluminum foil pan, so we can go ahead and do that. As you can see, we filled up the pan with all the nachos or chips, whatever you want to say, and then we're gonna add some ground beef.
Yeah.
So let's see how we gonna pour it slowly all over on the nachos. Okay, as you can see.
স্মেলটা খুব সুন্দর আসছে.
It's fine, take it easy, no rush. I know you like to eat, you want to eat, but it's not going anywhere. So you can take your time. And you're going to be the first one to eat after it's done, so don't worry. Take it easy. So we're going to add some little bit more nachos over the ground beef, as you can see, just to create a second layer. As you can see, we created the second layer with the chips for the nachos, and we're gonna add some more ground beef on the second layer, as you can see. Okay.
Okay. তারপরে
I'm gonna add some cheese. Okay, lots of cheese. Tomatoes.
Okay. It looks so colorful.
I'm gonna add some red, green, and yellow,
green, and then
peppers.
green peppers.
Yeah. Not if you give too much, it's gonna make sauce so spicy. Okay. Add some more cheese again. This is all about cheese. The more cheese you put, the more taste it is. Oven right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's open it. As you can see, we're cooking on nachos.
For 15 minutes.
15 minutes, and then we'll come back here in 15 minutes. Wow, look at that, the color. The cheese is still gonna melt. It's gonna take a few more minutes. So we're gonna add some avocado right there, chopped avocados, as you can see. I'm gonna sprinkle it all around the nachos. It's good to go. Nice snack, easy snack for eating at any time you want, evening or afternoon or whenever you feel like. Okay, we're gonna add some coriander leaves. And also we're gonna add some lime juices. As you can see, we got some chopped limes, and then we're gonna do the all around the juices, and then yeah, we're all set, good to go. Nachos is ready. Add some Tostitos spinach deep sauce. It's not necessary, but it's up to you which sauce you want. It's optional.